I am back to my favorite place in the world, Blind Pass for Sanibel and Captiva, and I'm welcomed home with beautiful, clear water. And I see a few olives, a few broken whelks, a few broken conchs. I'm going to show you what this let's see if I can get that. You see that olive right there? I think it's an olive. Let's see if I can reach down, see how far I can reach down and get it. Yep, it's a beautiful olive. Beautiful, beautiful. I thought I saw another one. There's another one right there. Let's see if we can get a visual on that. Oh, boy. Oop, there's a bracelet, olive. There's another one. There's a lot of them. A lot of them down there. This water is so pretty. Got a nice breeze. It's low tide. Oh, I don't know. It's about a 0.4. I'm going to see if I can get these two olives to it. There's another one. See how deep that is. This is okay. Mosquito man. It's a stone. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoy this beautiful day. So good to be home.